So welcome again, guys. It's Beams here once again. In this video I'll be showing you how you can actually customize your own personal workspace. Okay, as I said in my first video, in the first section that we actually had, where I talk about the workspace, that is selecting from essential to painting, or to photography, or to typography. This workspace actually has its own functions. For example, if I'm a painter, I will have to just select painting. Then you can see my workspace changes automatically. It changes automatically. If I'm a painter, I will relate to this kind of workspace because it's mostly like the workspace that I use in Adobe Illustrator very well. So what am I trying to say? It actually uses its own preference. It uses its own functionalities. If for example I'm in photography, let's see actually this how this works in photography. You can see photography actually, you can see this is mostly what they actually work on. This is their workspace. It doesn't have to be too much stinky or too much of property. The main thing stands remain. The histogram of my image is what counts in photography. So that's what I'm saying here. You can see that's the photography and then my histogram. So what am I trying to say? What if for example you want to create your own personal workspace? It's very simple. Just come to new in CSS. When you come to new in CSS, you can see it means you're actually new to CSS. It's to show you the plain thing, how it work, from layer to mini bridge to adjustment to property to characters. These elements are actually outlined for you to quickly get to know. And creating your new workspace, it's simple. You can see it out there. It's just down here. I'll click on it. I can call it BMC workspace. So what I didn't do is I can decide to I was supposed to select keyboard and menu. That means I can decide to change whatever I want to change and all these things. So let's say for example I'll come back to my essential and I want to, let's say I want to make this switch to be here. You can see I want my style to be here also. So I can actually save this workspace the way it is. How do I save it? I'll just come to my workspace. Then on default it's always on essentials. What do I have to do? I think all I have to do is leave it like that. Okay, you're gonna leave it like that, and when you open your computer the next time, this is how it's gonna be. This is the way it's going to be. It's much more. For example, if I want my channel to move first, and what if for example later it wasn't really convenient for me, I want to reset this, I want to return back to default. What do? I just have to come back to my workspace here, either here, or I come to my windows where I have my workspace option. Then I scroll down. You can see here where we have the reset essential. So it's much more easy for me. I will just reset the essentials and it comes back to the new to the default version of my essential workspace. So that's for this video. I will see you in the next video. Walk around with this setup, see what you can do, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.